The second category under the weighted methods is weighted average of relative method. Now under weighted average of relative method, we can solve the questions by two ways. First is using arithmetic mean, as we have seen in the previous case also, and using the geometric mean. So here we have to apply two formulas. When you have been told you have to calculate weighted average of relative method, you have to apply using arithmetic mean. So the formula which we will apply is price index will be equal to sigma IV divided by sigma V. Here I stands for P1 divided by P0 into 100. If you remember, P1 divided by P0 into 100 was our capital P. So it means capital P is multiplied by weights. V will be our weights, and weights here V stands for P0 Q0. So for the calculation of V, that is value P0 Q0, for the calculation of I, formula is P1 divided by P0 into 100. So if we have to write in detail, we can write here P01 is equals to sigma P1 divided by P0. If I fill the value of P1 P0 multiplied by value, that is P0 Q0, and whole divided by sigma P0 Q0, because this is our value and here we can write 100. So this is how, using arithmetic mean, either you can write like this is a very shortcut way to write, and this is the long explanation of this. Otherwise you can simply write this formula, and below we can write these two values. So formula is sigma IV divided by sigma V. I stands for P1 upon P0 into 100 and V stands for P0 Q0. When you have been told to use arithmetic mean, this formula is okay. But when you have been told to apply the geometric mean, in that case our price index will be antilog of sigma V log I. Sigma V log I divided by sigma V. So this will be the formula in case of geometric mean. So if I have to write it in detail, we can write antilog of sigma V. Sigma V, V stands for same P0 Q0 into log I stands for P1 divided by P0 into 100, and this will be divided by sigma V. V again stands for sigma P0 Q0. So this is the shortcut way to write the formula, and this is the full explanation of the formula. So simply you will be writing this formula when arithmetic mean has been asked. When geometric mean has been asked, you will be writing this formula. Now let us see practicals related to this. First of all, let us see using arithmetic mean. So this is a practical example. In this we have been given 5 items and price in 2015. So we can write here P0, and this is the price in 2016. So it can be our P1, and weights have been given. And in this question, quantity has not been given. So as we have seen in the formula, our V standard for P0 Q0. But here when weights have been given, we will simply write this is our V according to the formula, because simply weights have been given. Now when we have to apply arithmetic mean, then I will be requiring the calculation of I. And I we have seen is like capital P, P1 upon P0 into 100. So our, in this case, P1 is 0.75 divided by 0.50 into 100. So this comes out to be 150. Second, 0.75 divided by 0.60 into 100, it will be 125. Then 2.4 divided by 2 into 100, it comes out to be 120. 2.10 divided by 1.8 into 100, it is 117. And last, 10 divided by 8 into 100, it comes out to be 125. So like this we have calculated I. V is already there. Last column we will be creating, that is IV, because in the formula we will be requiring it. I and V will be multiplied. So 150 multiplied by 2, 300. 125 divided by 5, 625. 120 divided by 4 is 480. 117 into 8 is 936. And 125 into 1 is 125. Now if we will add it, we will be getting sigma IV. It comes out to be 2466. And if we will add this, it will be sigma I. Sigma I, when you will add, it will be 637. It will be giving you the value of sigma V. That comes out to be 20. So now let us apply the formula of index number. This was the formula of index number, sigma IV divided by sigma V. IV is 2466 and V is 20. So when we will divide it, it will be 123.3. So this is our price index according to arithmetic mean and weighted average of relative method. If you see, the formula is same only as we have seen in simple average of relative method. Only after calculation of P or I here, we have multiplied it with weights and we have divided with weights instead of N.